nice being here and seeing you here. Maraming salamat po.
Ayun, thank you so much for coming here, and you know, I'm so happy na makita kayo ngayon. So, ayun. Nervous sa mga questions later, so. Tinignan ko lang na isang pasadahan kanina, but let's see.
Oh, siyempre tayo naman yun.
Tabala.
Tandaro!
Shot, kita na yun.
Ako si Mo.
Yawi Jao!
And this is Tomas.
Ako yung RG.
Ako si Alas, kumiyaw!
Alamot!
Thank you so much sa pagpunta at sana po mapalaganap natin itong napakalupit na gagawin namin na ganap bukas.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes. And maraming salamat po
Sa lahat ng behind this event, to the sponsors, thank you so much. And also, we would like to apologize kasi now pa lang nag-start, like pagkalapag namin diretso dito. Yup. Yup na din ako. Let's do this!
And of course, nagpapasalamat din kami sa pag-imbita dito kasi ito yung pinaka-first na show namin international, labas naman. Thank you so much po.
Siyempre, thankful rin kami sa inyo sa pag-welcome niyo sa amin. So, yeah, let's go.
Okay, thank you so much once again. Palakpakan po natin ang Alamat and of course the Philip. Okay? So, ayun na, naiintindihan namin kung bakit late kayo, di ba? Kasi naman talagang galing from airport, diretso dito, talagang workaholic talaga ang ating Alamat. So now, hindi na po natin patatagalin pa, no? As we move forward, it's time for our question and answer session. So, the mic is open para po sa mga gustong magtanong. So, just raise your hands para po, and then we will assist you sa inyong pong mga question. Who wants first? Wow. Sige po. Sir Jerome. From Jerome's channel.
Hello. Anyway, malakas yung boss. Welcome to Dubai, Alamat, and welcome back, Ken. My first question is to Ken. Since Christmas season, what is your Christmas gifts or messages to 18 who are in Dubai, who always there supporting you through thick and thin?
Last night I released my latest single. It's called Kanako. And it's a surprise para sa kanila. Earlier I just released my Kanako music video, and it's a parang yun yung way ko na pasasalamat sa kanila, and it's a surprise din kasi since Christmas ngayon, kumbaga there's a lot of things happen this year. Ayun po, yun po yung okay lang yung malakas ang boss ko. Hopefully, rinig po ng lahat ninyo dito yung voice ko. I'll try to speak English as much as I can. Tagalog lang, is that fine?
Yeah.
Yeah, basically, that's my surprise and my gift to them. The whole message of the song, I hope they can feel it, my emotions and my thoughts. I poured all my emotions and thoughts through the song, so I hope you guys are happy listening to that song. Thank you so much.
Kanako is a Japanese song.
Kanako is a Visayan.
Visayan. What does it mean? I'm not Visayan.
Mauwi ka na ako.
Sorry.
Hindi ka kasi tumingkip ng Bisaya eh.
I'm Ilocano. Anyway, kung alamat, since first time nyo sa Dubai, ano yung mga expectation nyo as OFW, and what do we expect during the show? Anyone yan?
Kanina po, may mga makilo na sumalubong sa amin. Sobrang appreciate po namin yan. At dahil doon, parang nagbigay po siya ng lakas sa amin na mas galingan pa namin. May mga makilo na nag-aabang dito sa amin. And yung may expect nyo po from us, gagalingan po talaga namin since it's our first international show. Let's go!
Good luck!
Thank you so
Thank you so
much.
much.
Okay. Thank you so much, Julie C. Who wants next? Sino po ang gusto ko?
Bea.
Boys sa Dubai.
Hello. Mic test. Hello. All right. Okay. Good evening, everyone. So I'm Juni from Buhay sa Dubai. My question goes to Alamat muna. Since this is your first time here in United Arab Emirates or in Dubai, do you have any specific na tourist destination that you wanted to visit bago kayo bumalik sa Pinas?
Burj Khalifa.
Yun, Burj Khalifa po. Siyempre.
Tapos yung malapit po dito yung ano, yung Pao.
Yeah.
Yan.
Alright. Yun, we wish na you have time para at least makaikot din kayo sa Dubai.
Yeah, definitely.
Okay, next naman I have Philip.
Yes po.
Ayan, so I wanted to know ano yung pasabog mo. Ayan, aabangan ng mga fans mo naman dito sa UAE for tomorrow's concert.
Tomorrow's gonna be the first time I'll be performing Kanako live. So, yeah. Thank you guys. Thank you. I think inaabangan nyo din siguro yun. Gusto ko sana i-perform Kanako with my guitar, but sadly, unfortunately, I won't be able to. But yeah, still, gagandahan ko for you guys.
Alright, thank you so much, Mr. Juni of Buhay sa Dubai. Who's next?
Bea Avila.
Hi, okay. I have my mic now. I'm Charlene Nebunsili from Pinas Music. So the first question is going to be for Alamat. So see, pag nakaupo, gumagana. Pag tumayo, hindi na. First question is for Alamat. Since yun na natanong na nila, because I want to ask you, since it's your first time to be performing international, ano yung, kasi you guys are new in the industry, what are actually your advice to all the kabataan who inspired to have a band? Yung parang grupo din na kagaya sa inyo. Because it's not easy to have a grupo na like this.
Check. Yo, use this.
Check. Ayun. Sige. For us, since it's part of our branding to really embrace our own culture and our own identity, ang masasabi lang po namin is for them to really be proud of who they are and to really embrace their buong pagkatao. So, yun po.
Ako, dagdag ko po, sa lahat ng nangangarap na gusto maging artist, group, ganun, gawin nyo lang yung kung anong nasa puso nyo. Kasi at the end of the day, at least masabi mo sarili mo na nagawa ko. Ayun.
And syempre yung yung sinabi mo, passion. Di mawalan. May iba-ibang passion tayo sa buhay. So, and dagdagan na rin natin siguro ng consistency. Yun talaga yung key para magpatuloy ka sa gusto mong gawin.
Tsaka, struggles are gonna be there. So we just have to keep going. Kasi yun din po yung magpapalangas sa atin para mabot po natin yung pangarap natin. Thank you!
Okay. My next question is Philip. Sandali lang. Before ako mag-ask ng question, sinong gusto dito tanggalin ni Ken ang kanyang sombrero? Yes. Diba?
Hindi pa ako nag-ayos ng book, please. No! I can't do it, I'm sorry. I can't do it.
Okay, my question for Ken is, when did you realize that your voice is genuinely unique? Kasi diba, the singers will be like, pataasan, but your voice is really unique, it's so deep, and talagang iba ang boses mo. When did you realize that it's something different na talagang okay siya?
Siguro po, nung nag-start ko, I think it was high school po ata nung nag-start na mag-crack yung boses ko. And doon ko na-realize na hindi ko na ma-hit yung mga notes na kaya ko dati before nung nasa elementary school ako. And ayun na po, sabi ko, since nakikinig ako na kumakanta yung tito ko and he has a really deep voice din po. So, I think it runs in the family na malalalim po yung boses namin lahat. So, ayun po nung una, I was really disappointed kasi mga belter tayong mga Pinay, we're known for, you know, mahilig tayo mag-belt talaga and bilitera talaga tayo. But then, sa journey namin, hinasa ko yung kung ano yung meron ako, nag-focus ako sa kung ano meron ako, and yun yung meron nga akong deep voice and pinractice ko siya ng pinractice, and then pinractice ko yung falsetto ko para at least kumbaga meron akong iba-ibang weapon kumbaga na pwede kong gamitin kasi it will be boring kung isa lang din po yung weapon na meron ka. So I practice a lot and find ways na ma-enhance ko yung kung ano yung meron ako. So, thank you po.
Thank you so much. Next, who's next? Okay.
Hello guys, since Alamat is new here in Dubai, we would like to invite you guys in our Captain Talipapa restaurant, our humble restaurant. Philip also.
Everyone is so crazy about all of you guys. We posted your picture in our restaurant, so each and every Filipino, me also, I am big a fan.
Me too.
All of us. No, we came here. We are the first one here to came today to see all of you. We left our restaurants.
Oh no!
So please, we are inviting you to come in our restaurant. We will cater all of you, and all of your fans will be there. We will reserve. We will do business together, and we will be happy to see you there dining in our restaurant. We couldn't find all the. You have all of this.
We love to.
You have
allergies for seafoods?
Shrimp.
You love.
Yeah.
You love shrimp.
Yes.
Pizza.
We have pizza.
You have pizza. You have chicken.
Italian pizza.
It's really good.
We don't have, we will cook.
All right.
They love snow coffee. Strawberry cake.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Who's next?
Okay.
This is for Ken.
Yes, ma'am.
Ken, pumunta ako ng Singapore para magpatato. Alam ko sa Singapore na nagpatato, di ba?
Yes.
So, question ko, paki-explain yung butterfly.
Yung butterfly means life and death. So my lola and my lolo died the same year. They died the date, both 27 April 27. My lolo died December 27. So it's really important to me. Actually, dapat merong 27 dito, 27 sa kapila.
Pwede ko flex.
Eto po yung tattoo. Maliit lang po sila. Mahilig po ako sa patches na tattoo. And wow, pinicturean pa sige.
Why drinking butterfly?
Ano ba?
Ba't nag-drink yung butterfly?
It's tears, kumbaga. Yeah, it's tears, kumbaga. It's sad. I was really sad nung time na nawala sila both. And it hasn't been a year nung nawala yung lola ko. Hindi sumunod yung lola ko. So I was really heartbroken that time. So yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you.
Salamat po.
Alright, thank you so much. Who's next?
Good evening, everyone. Welcome to Dubai, especially to Alamat and Philip.
Thank you,
good to see you again. Yes. For Alamat, are we going to hear some Christmas song? Because Christmas is like days from now. So are we going to hear Christmas song
on tomorrow's show?
Oh, parang hindi kami nakapag-prepare ng Christmas song.
Next year.
Okay lang. I thank you so much. Okay, on the spot. Ngayon, ano kakantay na? Hang on, mistletoe. I'm gonna get to know this Christmas. Okay, next. As we dream the dream, we must want to be together. Ikaw naman.
Meron yun eh.
Ano yung next lyrics na? This Christmas. Yeah.
Pero ayun po, wala. For now, Christmas song, wala pa kami. Pero, syempre nag-prepare kami ng yung mga songs namin na i-perform for tomorrow, syempre. Papasabugin namin to. Let's go!
Yes, let's go.
Tsaka yung sayang dadali namin bukas, pang Christmas din siya. Kaya yun talaga yung gusto namin, magpasaya sa araw ng Christmas, hindi ng Christmas, pati sa mga susunod na taon ng event namin. Ayun.
Yes, thank you very much, and Merry Christmas once again. And this next question is from Kimmy Pierce for Philip. With all that is happening in your life right now, what life lesson that you would like to share, if you can share?
I think always ko to sinasabi din. Yung message lang always na gusto ko iparating is be patient. It might be hard at first, but ano lang, maging pasensyoso lang sa lahat ng bagay. If you're, if you're angry, learn to, learn to control your emotion. If you're sad, learn to look at the good things happen before sa kahit ano man nangyari sa'yo. And ayun, huwag masyado mag-focus sa mga malalaking bagay. Focus din on the little things na akala mo na hindi makapagpasaya sa'yo, but ayun, nakapagpasaya pala sa'yo. Ma-realize mo rin yun someday. Ayun, kasi mag-27 na kasi ako eh, so medyo na-realize na ako mga bagay na gano'n. So, yeah, ayun po yung message ko.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. Anyone? Meron pa po ba? Ay. Ha?
Hi po, Alamat din. Hi po, Philip.
Hello. Hello po.
My question po for Philip, I just wanted to ask po, what is your all-time favorite anime or manga?
Interesting. Right now, I would say Black Clover. Black Clover, Boruto, Attack on Titan. Ano ba? Eminence of the Shadow. Basta madami. Nag-mental block ako pag tinatanong ako ng ganyang mga bagay. Sobrang dami pumapasok sa'yo. I think I've watched all of the animes, good animes na meron. So I'm really excited kasi halos wala na ako mabasa ngayon. Naubusan na ako na pwede kong basahin and pwede ko i-watch. So I'm really excited. So if you can recommend something, please message me. Binabasa ko message mo. Thank you.
Next, meron po from fans, mag-iliw, mga 18, meron po po. Wala na? Okay, ako naman na may tanong. Ayan, for Philip, ayan, Philip, sino ang inspirasyon mo sa kanta mo, yung single mo na Kanako?
Definitely 18 po. 18 po yung kumbaga, I was really thankful sa lahat ng mga nangyari sa buhay ko. Whether it's bad or good, in bad times, andyan sila. In good times, andyan din sila. And in terms of struggles namin, in terms of struggles ko sa buhay, andyan sila to support me and, you know, ina-uplift nila yung mood pag malungkot ako. So, ayun, I'm really thankful na nandyan sila palagi para sa akin. So, thank you so much guys. I love you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Ayan, so yun naman yung gusto nilang marinig na parang sa kanila sila ang inspirasyon ng kantang Kana Ako. Ayan, masaya na kayo Ayan, para naman po sa Alamat. Ayan, ito tanong din po ito ng mga 18 dito. Possible ba na magkaroon ng collaboration ng Alamatan ng SB19?
Siyempre, sobrang open namin for that.
Game kami anytime. Super open.
So, masaya ang 18 at ang Magilaw na marinig na open kayo para sa collaboration ng Alamat at SB19. Aabangan natin yan, no? Inshallah. Alright. Guys, any question coming? Okay. Ay, may pakabol.
For Alamat, dumadumundong kasi ang Pedro Pinduco dito sa UAE. This coming December 25. Mapapakinggan pa namin tomorrow night ang Dagundong. Yes!
Yes! Sabi niya po, sabihin ko. Pero yes po, syempre, Dagundong. Ayun. And syempre, yung Penduko po, Pedro Penduco, sana supportahan din natin lahat kasi andun din yung Dagundong. So, dadagundong tayo lahat. Pati bukas.
Alright, kung wala na po, meron pa. Sige.
Hello, this one's for Alma. Hi, how are you, my besties? Okay, so since it's your first time here in Dubai, so we wanted to ask if there was any foods that you would like to try, like you've heard of anywhere, like any foods here, any delicacies. Shawarma, cranberry.
Naririnig namin palagi yung biryani.
Masarap yan. Actually, yung biryani, lagi akong nakain sa Pilipinas pag umuwi ako sa Pampanga. Pero gusto ko matry yung dito, tsaka yung shawarma.
Sige! Sige! Tara na!
Tsaka marami kung anong pwede nyo ipakain sa amin. Tara!
Tara, let's go!
So much game talaga sa food trip ang ating mga kabigiliw and of course ang ating Alamat. So guys, kung wala na po, wala na. Okay, it's time for the picture taking po, no? Let's start po sa ating mga influencers. Ayan, sige, dito po tayo sa harapan. Sige po. Influencers po muna tayo dito sa harapan. Yes, put na lang po. Picture po. Ayan, sa likod po. Hello?
It's okay, it's okay.
Alright. 1, 2, 3. Everyone, smile.
Alright, dito po tayo isa.
Doon po sa aking number.
May video rin po, say hi! Hi!
Hello.
Kuya Rico!
Halika na, Kuya Rico. Next, we have ang ating po mga from media.
Ayan, yung mga from media po natin. Sige po. From The Global Filipino Magazine. Nandiyan po ba? Ayan. Okay, next po is yung ating mga sponsors.
Layo na kayo muna Kento, sikip.
Ayan, sige. Group. Let's all do group picture po, no? Nasa Susan. Ayan, so yung ating pong pamilya and yung mga sponsors po natin, group picture po. Ayan, sige. Sir, go to the center. Okay. Smile.
3, 2, 1, go! Say hi po, video!
What's up? Sakpan ko.
Okay? Ayan, dito po ang exit. There's the exit. Okay. Thank you so much. Next, another sponsor from Papas.
Kasama tuloy ako sa litra.
Ako masok ka. Asa pa mga?
Yan, sige po. Yan. Yan. Center po tayo and then ang-exit po natin doon. Okay? Sige po. From Papas. Yan. Later na lang po yung mga solo picture po natin. Yan. Sige.
Alright, ready? 3, 2, go! Smile! Dito rin ba? May video tayo! Outfit check!
Thank you so much. Sige po. Next, from Philippine Supermarket. Yan, nandiyan po ba ang ating mga taga-Philippine Supermarket? Okay. Next, we have the Mediterranean. The Meridian. Sorry. The Meridian. Ayan, si Sir. Ay, solo flight si Sir. Solo flight si Sir. Oh, sige. Picture. In the middle, sir.
You want this to be shown?
Okay.
Okay, fine.
Pagbigyan.
Alright, ready? 3, 2, go! Hey, video! Outfit check!
Alright, thank you so much. Ang ating 18 po. Yung mga 18 po natin dyan. Yung 18, sige po. Ayan. Kalmahan natin. Kalmahan. Ayan, sige po. Ayan. Dikit-dikit. Sige, compress.
Can we occupy this side? Pwede pa tayo marong dito.
Ayan, sige, adjust daw po.
Ayun po. Alright, ready? 3, 2, go! One more. Aba, video naman po tayo. Flex po. 3, 2, yay!
Thank you so much. Good po yung exit. Thank you. Next, magiliw. Ayan, mag-iyo po natin. Ayan, sige po. Move forward, guys.
Sige, sige.
Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Smile!
Oy, outfit check!
Kaya pa? Kaya pa? Kaya pa? Sorry. Bestie, ano na? Ay, ba't di mo din
Next, of course, the SoundCloud team. Okay. Ayan, sige, solo pa. Cellphone mo dahil. Ano na lang daw po? Okay, with the two boys. Ayan, sige po. Sir, come and join us po for your solo picture. Okay.
1, 2, 3. One more.
One more. Alright, next. SoundCloud team. Yeah. Yan, sige po, SoundCloud team.
Sino pala sa pa?
Kayo pa po?
Hindi kayo marunong comment na. Nga ba naman ang sa comment ko?
Alright, 1, 2, 3.
Ready, 3, 2, go! Hey, happy check!
Alright, meron pa po? I guess that's the last one. Once again, palapakan po natin ang alamat and of course, Philip. Ayan, meron pa po. Ay, ako naman po, magpapapicture ng solo. Ayan. Tsaka naman, ayan, sige po. Siyempre. Ayan, smart boys.
5,000 dirham.
One more video.
One more video.
Hey, hi!
Hi! Outfit check, alright? Thank you so much! Once again, maraming salamat po sa lahat po ng ating mga sponsors, influencers, and sa ating po mga 18 and magiliw na pumunta po tonight.
Wala ko.
This one.
I'll pay the Abu Dhabi.